Imagine this. You step into your bathroom after a long day, hoping for a fresh, clean shower, but instead of sparkling tiles, you're greeted by dull, stained grout lines and soap scum that refuses to go away. It feels like your once beautiful bathroom is slowly being taken over by something ugly: mold, mildew, and grime. Why does this happen? And more importantly, how do you fight back? Today, I'll share the secrets to keeping your shower tiles and grout shiny and new, not just for a day, but for months and years to come. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to stop your bathroom from ever looking dirty and depressing again. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more powerful home hacks that make your life easier and stress-free. The hidden truth about tile and grout. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Your bathroom is under constant attack. Every shower introduces heat, humidity, soap, and hard water minerals. Slowly, these build up on your tiles, and worse, seep into the grout, the most vulnerable part of your shower. That's why grout lines turn dark, moldy, and impossible to clean with just regular scrubbing. It's not just dirt, it's bacteria and moisture finding a home in the tiny pores of grout. The good news? With the right hacks, you can not only clean, but protect your grout, so your shower stays fresh and shiny all the time. Step 1. The deep clean ritual. Before maintenance, you need a reset, a deep clean that removes years of grime. Mix equal parts baking soda and vinegar into a paste and apply it directly to your grout lines. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This creates a fizzing reaction that loosens dirt and kills bacteria hiding inside the grout. Now, take an old toothbrush or a grout brush and scrub gently. You'll actually see the dirt lifting out. Rinse with warm water, and suddenly your grout looks alive again. For stubborn stains or mold patches, hydrogen peroxide is your secret weapon. It's powerful, but safe for bathroom use. Spray, scrub, rinse, and watch the transformation. Step 2. Keep water from winning. One of the biggest enemies of clean grout is water. Every shower leaves behind tiny droplets that sit and seep into the grout. That's why bathrooms often smell musty. The simple hack: use a squeegee after every shower. Just 30 seconds of pulling water off your tiles prevents soap scum, mold, and hard water stains from ever forming. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't wait for cavities to show up before you brush. You prevent them. The squeegee is your bathroom's toothbrush. Step 3. Natural shine for your tiles. Shiny tiles make your bathroom look new, but they often lose their glow after constant use. Instead of harsh chemicals, try this natural method. Mix 1 part vinegar with 3 parts water in a spray bottle. After your shower, spray it lightly on your tiles. This removes soap scum, disinfects surfaces, and leaves tiles gleaming. For an extra touch, buff your tiles once a week with a microfiber cloth. It's like polishing glass. It brings back the sparkle effortlessly. Step 4. The secret of grout sealant. Here's the step almost everyone skips, and it's the most powerful: sealing your grout. Grout is porous, meaning it absorbs water, dirt, and mold like a sponge. But when you apply a grout sealer, you're basically giving it armor. Suddenly, water can't seep in, stains can't stick, and mold doesn't have a chance. Seal your grout once a year, and you'll cut your cleaning time in half. It's like waterproofing your bathroom forever. Step 5. The weekly 5-minute routine. Now here's the golden rule. Maintenance is easier than crisis cleaning. You don't want to wait until your bathroom looks like a science experiment. So here's the routine. After every shower, use a squeegee. Once a week, spray vinegar solution and wipe. Once a month, scrub grout lightly with baking soda. Once a year, reseal your grout. This simple system takes just minutes, but it keeps your shower permanently shiny. Bonus hack: fresh air matters. You might not realize this, but ventilation is everything. Without airflow, humidity stays trapped in your bathroom, feeding mold and mildew. So, always keep your bathroom fan running for at least 15 minutes after every shower. If you don't have a fan, just crack open a window or leave the door slightly open. Fresh air is the invisible cleaner you've been missing. From battle to bliss. At first, it might feel like your bathroom is against you, like no matter how much you scrub, the mold and grime always win. But once you know these hacks, the battle changes. Suddenly, you're in control. Your tiles shine, your grout looks brand new, and your bathroom smells fresh instead of damp. It's not just about cleaning, it's about creating a space where you can relax, refresh, and recharge without feeling stressed by the dirt around you. So next time you step into your shower, imagine it gleaming like the day it was first installed, because now you know exactly how to make that happen. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more powerful hacks that turn everyday struggles into simple victories. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community.